Good day everyone, my name is Ichlin Kalaunan and I'll be talking about the elements of art, both visual and auditory. So yung shape can be either two-dimensionals and three-dimensionals. Sa two-dimensionals, nag-i-exist lang siya na flat, may length and width, and while sa three-dimensionals naman, meron siyang length and width and meron na siyang volume. So shapes can be classified as geometric, biomorphic, and free invention. Sa geometric, examples nito yung circles, squares, or triangles. Sa biomorphic naman, ito yung shapes inspired by nature. Well, sa free inventions naman, ito yung from the word itself na yung artist mismo yung gumagawa ng shape sa imaginations niya. So yung next naman is composition in space. It refers to how the artist arrange the elements and how they will relate to each other. So ito yung how our brain perceive the visual information. May involved dito yung physiology and psychology because ayun nga, kung paano natin natitake yung visual. So, sunod naman is yung planes in perspective. Yung planes is basically a flat surface. Wala pa nilalagyan na illusions. So, kapag nilagyan na siya ng linear perspective, dun na makaka-create yung artist ng illusions with the three-dimensional space on a flat surface. Dahil nga sa perspective na nilagyan na natin ng linear perspective. Let's move on auditory elements. Auditory elements is one of the most common form is music, which is basically organized sound over time. So some key elements of music includes rhythm, dynamics, melody, harmony, timbre, and texture. So let's move on rhythm. Rhythm is the pulse of the music and it is often associated with beat and tempo. So yung beat, siya yung basically unit of music. While yung tempo naman, ito yung speed of the beats. So meron siyang classical terms that describe tempo. Meron siyang largo. Yung largo, ito yung slowly and broadly. While yung andante naman, walking space lang siya. While yung moderato, moderate speed. While yung allegro, fast. Bass, vivas, lively siya. While yung accelerando, gradually speeding up. Sa relentando naman or allargando, gradually slowing down. While sa rubato naman, literally rap time. From the word itself, rap time. Played freely for expression. Naman is in dynamic, refers to the loudness o quietness ng music. Tsaka meron siyang classical terms na ito. Yung pianissimo, ito yung sobrang quiet, while yung piano, quiet lang siya. Sa mezzo piano, moderately quiet. Sa mezzo forte, moderately loud. Sa forte, loud. Tapos sa fortissimo, very loud. Para sa gradual changes naman, meron tayong crescendo, gradually louder, while sa decrescendo or diminuendo, gradually softer.